Okay, we're now in Avalon Zoo.
Mommy, it's in my wrist. Look! Mommy!
Yeah. Are you happy to see them, anak?
Mommy, that's Tower's castle. Ah!
Can you see birds?
Yes!
Can you count them? Count them, anak. Can you count them? Count them.
What?
Only 4? Are you happy to see the birds? Are you happy na? Dito ma. Dito pa lang 4, dito 4, dito lang. Ini si anak. Ini si dito anak. Wow. There, oh, over there anak, over there. There, oh anak oh. Anak dito. Dito. Subong pa ako sa mga was. Hindi naman. Lawak din mo. Sulit din yung bayan. Can you hear that sound?
It's a monkey.
7.
It's a monkey.
Dapat may tubig tayo dito. Wow, it's a saltwater crocodile. Hindi naman siya gumagal. Ayun, anak ko. Are you staying?
Hi. Hi, crocodile. That's a crocodile. I'm not here. What's on top of it, Daddy?
It's a saltwater. We cannot help the crocodile.
Look, it's another one.
It's so big.
Let's see. Look, Daddy.
So big enough.
Daddy. Look. Another crocodile, Daddy. Another crocodile.
Kaya nga nakakatakot, sabi ko nga. Baka mamaya biglaan.
Daddy, crocodile.
Atay crocodile.
So many crocodiles.
What?
Indo-Pacific para ito.
Okay, sino ba ito?
Ayun sila oh. Dati andito sila oh. Kaso maamoy.
It's a big bird. There.
Oh.
It's a big bird. See that? Oh, it's a big bird.
A big one.
Oh, in the top. Oh, no.
It's a mouse. It's It's globe.
What's that?
It is globe.
Apa yan?
It's a baby globe.
Squirrel or what?
It's a baby globe.
It's a baby, ano daw? Squirrel? So cute.
It's cute.
Is it cute, anak?
Yes. It's cute, Daddy.
Yeah, it's so cute. Na-appreciate na lang niya. Ang lawak talaga. Actually, sulit din ang pagpunta dito sa Avilon Zoo. Kasi sobrang lawak niya. Mas malawak pa siya sa Manila Zoo. Number 11 pa lang kami. So, until 70 ito. Oo, 13. Hindi pa 14. Pataas na tayo. 11 tayo kanina.
Meron?
Oo.
Hindi ko na kinulong ah.
Taas eh. Dito na ako, Daddy. Hintayin ko na kayo dito. Look, oh, wow! Oh, stage ba yan?
Ano yung ano? Ano yung
It's a cute bird. It's a cute. It's a cool back. No, it's a cool. Ito mo din kami.
Daddy.
Ito mo din kami. Take a picture with them.
Yeah, let's go to the Africa.
Daddy, let's take a picture. Use na
Hindi ka lang, no? Hindi ka pwedeng lumapit. Hindi ka pwedeng lumapit. Tama, ang ganda lang mo.
Hi, hi. Say hi. I'm Tyler.
I'm Double. It's cute.
Pero balik ka lang ah.
Tell your name. Tell your name to the animals.
What? What's that noise now?
What's that noise?
Bilaw. Bigyan mo sa bilaw, meron pa.
Go, 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 go. Hindi na makita dati. Can you hold me?
Kami.
Oh. Hi.
Long.
Hi.
It's slow.
Ano yung kangaroo?
Parang. Oo, parang kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Is this a kangaroo?
No. It's not a kangaroo.
Oh, what's the name of the animal if it's not kangaroo?
It's a kangaroo, Daddy.
No, right na, right na.
Right. Number 20, Daddy. Oh. Ano pa ba dito? Wala na dito?
Ang kangaroo mo.
Saan? Hindi niya makita.
A zebra.
Cockatoo. Wow.
Mommy, Mommy.
You hear that sound?
Ha?
Ang tagal din siguro nila itong ginawa. Ang lawak eh, sobrang lawak. Sa Manila Zoo. Parang isang oras ba yun? Isang oras ka lahat.
Lang kasi yung Manila to.
Parang 2 hours tayo dun sa Manila Zoo, di ba? Nalibot mo yun. Ito malawak to talaga.
Shit kaya yun, no?
Yung,
Hindi ka na kumain mo, okay?
saan? Palabas? Hindi, hindi naman yung mga nag-aalaga. Uy, doon muna tayo sana. Kasi, ay, sige. Look, Tyler, oh. Huwag ka muna lang, ano. Huwag ka muna lang siya. Sabi siya. Daddy, oh. Daddy.
Kaya,
Tyler, oh. Look. Daddy, ilayo mo siya.
Here, anak, oh, here.
Look, another.
Tyler, oh. Look this up. They are all here, anak, oh. They are all here, oh. Hi, they are all here, anak, oh. Look, oh.
What's that? Mommy, what's that, Mommy? Mommy, what's that?
That's meerkat. That's a meerkat, anak.
America.
Hi, ano.
Pero ako malapit na.
Look, anak, oh, look.
Want to see? Want to see? Want to see?
Yeah.
Kaya na, kaya na.
Sige, 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 sige. Makatulog sila.
Nasa pa sila lang.
Mas taas. Ewan ko lang, doon sila sa taas, oh. Yun, oh.
Here. Look. Up there.
Nakita niya. Up there? Hi!
Sila doon na. Bye-bye.
I can't see, sabi niya.
Payment mamaya bago bumaba.
Are you happy?
100 isang boat. Dalawa na sila. Isa lang.
Do you want to feed the giraffe?
Gusto mo nang pagyan ng giraffe? Kuha ka na naman ng isa.
Ayun na. Ayun na.
Ikaw na magtusok ulit sa natin.
Are you happy to feed the giraffe? Another one.
Ilapag mo lang kasi may tatatusok ko.
Daddy, kaya siya ha?
Pare, meron pa. Wag kang malis ha. Kung talaga. Hawakan niyo po.
Okay, tara. Chewy! Let's cheese! It's a running water, yes. It's a running water. It's a running Where? Oh no, it's so big over there.
What's the type of doing?
He's looking for a food.
Hmm.
Tiger is looking for food. Because the tiger is so hungry.
Mommy. That's fine.
Come in.
Where?
Oh, it's so big.
Oh no, I see also.
It's a tiger.
Wow.
It's a cool tiger.
It's a cool tiger.
It's up here. Oh no, it's too high.
Let's go this way. Come here.
It's so big, oh, Daddy. Laki, oh. Lalaki, oh. Nakatakot, no?
Papa Bear and Baby Bear.
It's Mama Bear and Baby Bear.
Yes.
Naantok na. Teka, tapusin natin. Kawin na tayo.
Hi, dear.
Hey. Yes. Ganda na?
Sigat ba siya?
Tyler, kami na. Tyler.
Tyler, come. Let's go now.